Hi everybody, I'm Rhea with Art Furniture Woodwork, and we are here today to talk about an antique piece that I have. It has stressed me out as to what to do with it. When you paint an antique, you ruin the value. Problem is, this is already ruined. Whomever put it into a basement ruined it then. The hinges are shot. Someone's obviously just thrown it into a barn or what have you and left it. My dilemma was what to do with it. If I leave it alone, it's going to end up in a landfill. Nobody wants that. But if I paint it, then I've ruined the value of an antique. But an antique is only valuable if it's in pristine condition or restorable condition. So I'm going to take a hit on this. And I'm going to paint some of it and leave some of it. And I know that there's going to be comments. Oh my goodness, the comments I'm going to get on this for painting an antique like this. But, oh well. Here we go. Follow along. What we're going to do today is remove the old shellac finish off of this antique and make it look just beautiful. What shellac is it's a self-wetting finish, and you can buy it in flakes like this and mix it yourself with denatured alcohol. You can also buy it in the stores already pre-mixed. This is quite a thick mix. They call it, I believe, a 3-pound cut, and you can use the flakes and make a thinner version that I find goes on much more smoothly. You can also cut this down as well. What we're going to do is reactivate the old shellac and remove it, leaving the natural stain that's already on here, the antique stain that's on here, and make it just gorgeous. The shiny places here are where I've already taken some denatured alcohol and tried to see if that varnish could be salvaged, but I think it's a bit too far gone, so we're going to go ahead and take it off. We're not removing the stain, just taking off the varnish part. Hopefully y'all can see the difference in that. This side of just use denatured alcohol to take off the varnish, and this side you can see where it's, you know, there's some missing in between where I had tried to clean it up earlier, but it also shows off this gorgeous flaking in this piece of wood, and it is spectacular. I'm going to have to find a way to fix this top. There's just no way that you could justify painting something this gorgeous. So, let's find a way to make it happen. So we've got the top all stripped of its old shellac and varnish, leaving just the stain and the beautiful wood. I'm just going to continue doing that on the piece all the way down. This thing has amazing flake in it. I mean, the grain patterns are just stunning. Okay, so I have gone through this piece thoroughly and stripped off all of the old shellac varnish and exposed some absolutely stunning wood grain. Just look at those flakes. The top has taken a bit of a hit, but I don't really want to paint it. The veneer is just way too pretty. So I'm going to see what I can do to save as much of this as possible. If we had done this project in one video, it would have been super long. So we've broken it into 3 segments. So please be sure to hit the subscribe button to keep up with this project. In next week's video, we'll cover all the veneer repairs if you hit the like button, it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. So we appreciate all of your support.